this video for the assignment. Down this video at the bottom there's a place written subscribe, so you can just press on it, and then you can like also there at the bottom, and you can also even go ahead and comment before you view this video. Otherwise, keep watching as I take you through today's assignment in mathematics. Thank you. Welcome.
Okay. Did you understand everything taught in school? If not, then next time when you're in school, you should try to engage your teachers. You can even share among yourself from your friends or anybody. Okay? Especially now that you're going at home, you may meet those who also have some knowledge whom you can also share with. And make sure you understand whatever you learn during the day before you go to sleep. So this is maths assignment for the half-term break, which is supposed to take place between 26th of this month, 2022, to 29th of this month, 2022. And this one has been prepared by Ongeti Keane for the Form 4 holiday assignment. So I'll take you through the questions one by one. Ensure that you have an exercise book and a pen so that you can jot them down. Here comes the first question. Okay, in our first question we have, find x if 3 log 5 plus log x squared is equal to log of 1 over 125. Remember, when the logs do not have the bases, then we normally take them to base 10. So you can go ahead and perform that question. Write it down. Then question number 2 we have, Achieng wants to buy a sewing machine on hire purchase terms. It has a cash price of 7,500 Kenyan shillings. She can pay a cash price or make a down payment of 2,250 shillings and 15 monthly installments of 550 shillings each. How much interest does she pay under the installment plan? So you can also go ahead and write down that question number 2. Question number 3, a water pump costs 21,600 Kenyan shillings when new. At the end of the first year, its value depreciates by 25%. Okay, the depreciation at the end of the second year is 20%, and thereafter the rate of depreciation is 15% yearly. Calculate the exact value of the water pump at the end of the fourth year. Okay, you can also put down that number 3. Then number 4, there we go. A cloth dealer sold 3 shirts and 2 trousers for 840 Kenyan shillings and 4 shirts and 5 trousers for 1,680 Kenyan shillings. Form a matrix equation to represent the above information. Full stop. Hence, find the cost of 1 shirt and the cost of 1 trouser. So you can write this in form of simultaneous equation, then you solve it using the matrix equation, using matrix form. Okay, you can put down these questions. There we go. We can now move to the next question. That is the next question. But now before we look at the next question, are the questions that we are going through reflecting what was taught in class? So if they are reflecting what was taught in class, you can comment. There's a place there next to my video clip for area under comment. That is after you've subscribed to the video. You can comment whether the questions are as per what you learnt in class or they are not resembling what the teachers have been teaching you in class. Okay, question number 5. In question number 5, we have a quantity P is partly constant and partly varies inversely as a quantity Q. Given that P is equal to 10 when Q is equal to 1.5 and P is equal to 20 when Q is equal to 1.25. Find the value of P when Q is equal to 0.5. So you can work out that, put it down. Then question number 6. In the figure below, BT is the tangent to the circle. Okay, let's first of all get the figure. There it comes. Yes, there it is. Okay, so in this figure, we have BT, which is the tangent to the circle at B, and you can see that AXCT and BXD are straight lines. Okay, then AX is 6 centimeters, and then we have CT, which is also 8 centimeters. You can see CT is 8 centimeters. Then we have BX, which is 4.8 centimeters, and lastly we have XD, which is 5 centimeters. Okay, there we go. The question is, find the length of XC, that is part A, part B, BT. Okay, you can put those ones down in your exercise book. Then we can go to question number 7. There we go. Question number 7 is all about matrices, and it reads, find the inverse of the matrix. So the matrix is 9, 8, 7, 6. Now once you found the inverse, then you can solve part A. And part A reads, in a certain week, a businessman bought 36 bicycles and 32 radios for a total of 227,280 Kenyan shillings. In the following week, he bought 28 bicycles and 24 radios for a total of 174,960 Kenyan shillings. Using matrix method, find the price of each bicycle and each radio that he bought. Okay, then for part B, let's look at part B. In the third week, the price of each bicycle was reduced by 10%, while the price of each radio was raised by 10%. Okay, the businessman bought as many bicycles and as many radios as he had bought in the first 2 weeks. Find by matrix method the total cost of the bicycles and radios that the businessman bought in the third week. So you can put down those questions in your exercise book. Then we can now move to the next question, which is question number 8. It's about taxation. You can see the monthly taxable pay and the rate of tax in Kenyan shillings per pound. Okay, so there we are. So the table shows the income tax rates, and then we have a company employee that earn a monthly basic salary. So this one is salary, okay, this is supposed to be S. Basic salary of 30,000 Kenyan shillings, and is also given taxable allowance amounting to 10,480 Kenyan shillings. Part A, calculate the total income tax. Okay. Part B, the employee is entitled to a personal tax relief of 800 Kenyan shillings per month. Determine the net tax. So you can go ahead and now get the net tax. And lastly, part C, if the employee received a 50% increase in his total income, calculate the corresponding percentage increase on the income tax. So you can put that question down. Then we can move to the next question. Okay. The next question is question number 9. And question number 9 reads, the second and the fifth term of a geometric progression are 16 and 2 respectively. Determine the common ratio and the first term. Question number 10. Expand 2 plus x inside the bracket raised to power 5 in ascending powers of x up to the term in x cubed. Hence approximate the value of 2.03 in bracket raised to power 5 to 4 significant figures. Put that one down. Question number 11. A Keane bought maize and beans. So here you can include maize, so a Keane bought maize and beans from a wholesaler. She then makes the maize and beans in the ratio. Mix maize and beans in the ratio 4:3. She bought the maize as she bought. This one should be she bought the maize at. Okay, just correcting that, so you can make those corrections. She bought the maize at 12 Kenyan shillings per kilogram and the beans 4 Kenyan shillings. So there should be 4 Kenyan shillings per kilogram. That's why I have a pen there so that I can correct. So if she was to make a profit of 30%, what should be the selling price of 1 kilogram of the mixture? Okay, so can you put that one down? Okay, let's move to the next question. That is question number 12. In question number 12, we have a pipe A can fill an empty water tank in 3 hours, while a pipe B can fill the same tank in 6 hours. When the tank is full, it can be emptied by pipe C. in 8 hours. Pipes A and B are opened at the same time when the tank is empty. If 1 hour later pipe C is opened, find the total time taken to fill the tank. So there is that part that is missing, that if 1 hour later pipe C is opened, find the total time taken to fill the tank. I hope you have captured that. Then we can move to question number 13. In question number 13, we have part A, unbiased coin with 2 faces, head represented by H and tail T, is tossed 3 times. List all the possible outcomes. Hence, determine the probability of getting Roman 1, at least 2 heads, Roman 2, only 1 tail. Then for part B, during a certain motor rally, it is predicted that the weather will either be dry or wet, where D stands for dry, W stands for wet. The probability that the weather will be dry is estimated to be 7/10, full stop. The probability for a driver to complete, which is represented by C, the rally during the dry weather, is estimated to be 5/6, full stop. The probability for a driver to complete the rally during wet weather is estimated to be 1/10, full stop. Draw a probability tree diagram. What is the probability that the driver completes the rally? Roman 2, the weather was wet and the driver did not complete the rally. Okay, you can put that one down. Then we can move to question number 14. In question number 14, we have 2 baskets, A and B, each contains a mixture of oranges and lemons. Basket A contains 26 oranges and 13 lemons. Basket B contains 18 oranges and 15 lemons. A child selected a basket at random and picked at random a fruit from it. Determine the probability that the fruit picked is an orange. Okay, that is question 14. You can also put it down. Let's look at question 15. In question 15, we have the figure below that shows a triangle OAB in which M divides OA in the ratio 2:3 and N divides OB in the ratio 4:1. AN and BM intersect at X, as you can see. Part A, given that OA is vector A and OB is vector B, express in terms of vector A and B, Roman 1 AN, Roman 2 BM. So we must have the symbol for vectors. So these are vectors. Okay. Then we can look at the next question for part B. If AX is equal to SAN and BX is equal to TBM, where s and t are constants, write two expressions for OX in terms of a, b, s, and t. Full stop. Find the value of s. Hence, write OX in terms of a and b. So you can go ahead and write that. Okay. Now, did you like this video clip on assignment? Of course, then press subscribe and like, which is on the lower side of the video as you watch it. So this is an evidence that you acquired the content.
Hello viewers, I hope you enjoyed the lesson and you gained a lot. Now before leaving this video clip, I would like you to subscribe below it and like it, and you can also comment on some of the challenges that you came across as you are watching this video so that I can improve on them. Otherwise, thank you very much. Ensure that you can also go through the other video clips on the same on YouTube. Thank you.